Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying to make slime. Right now the slime is, well, it's not really slime, it's just goo right now. But it's probably going to turn into slime. I'm going to take it off the charger. My phone is on 100%, so it's fine. Bless you, Fluffy. Okay, so I already set my timer for 5 minutes. And here it is. Here's the thing that I'm making. It's not ready yet. It's just like goo right now. I put some toothpaste, some of this, and I put some soap and some warm water. So, guys, I'm really hoping it will work. If it doesn't work, it's gonna be okay. But I'm going to try like new recipes, and then like if it works, I'm going to be showing you guys that recipe. And if I get a new recipe today, I'll show you guys that recipe today. And yeah, I'm just going to be trying everything that people say to make slime. People say like dish soap to use to make some slime. So yeah. So I'm going to use some dish soap. Yeah, I'm going to use some dish soap there. And I'll probably see on YouTube a different way to make slime without glue, because I have no glue right now. But I did make slime and it just rotted away. Now I have no slime. I used to have, I think, maybe 15 slimes, and then they all rotted away. Me and my friend made a slime. So yeah. Guys, my friend has a YouTube channel. It's the KNA. It's the KNA Flow. But they didn't put any videos yet because the first time they made slime, it was like a big mess and it was a fail. But they didn't want to post that because it would be embarrassing for them. But I told her to post it because it's gonna be funny. But she didn't post it, and now I'm gonna wait until my timer goes off, and until then I'll just be talking to you guys. And yeah, so okay guys, if you guys actually, yeah guys, I'm going to show you guys an LOL doll, and you guys have to guess the name. It's gonna be kind of hard, but kind of easy at the same time. So, wait, no, not this one, not this one, not this one. This one. It's this one. So name this one, guys. Give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys guess it in the comments? I'll show you guys at the end of the video. We are right here. But don't forget, and this one. Hold on. Turn your head. I have a lot of LOL dolls. I think I have 37, I think. I'm not really that sure, guys. But I have 30 something. And this LOL doll. Okay, guys, you need to name both of them. And tell me if this one color changes. And if you do have this one, tell me how a color changes. Does it come with a swimsuit? Or does it change with the hair? Does it change with the eyes? Does it change with feet?